It's Tuesday, and the only ones I hear, I did not see the feral cats yesterday, but somebody ate. Had a fly go into me, or a moth. Feral cats have had. I had to turn it in because we're getting, sorry for the movement, we're getting a big storm again today. We have massive storms yesterday. The deer are not here. But as you can see, everyone is fed. This was completely empty, including the water. Everything's fed. Let's take a look. Make sure nothing's crawling on me. Stones are... There's no one out. There is no one out so far this morning, except for birds. No one. Squirrels are in. This is it this morning, no deer. As I said, we had some pretty brutal storms last night. But the food was all gone here, so they could have come early this morning. But we can listen to the birds. So they're fed. Let's see how long this lasts. And no feral cats, which we have the cages, which I wasn't going to set up last night because of the storm. Here are the feral cages. Yep. The traps, so hopefully, the feral cages, the traps. Let me get rid of this. I see a stone here that somebody could trip on. There we go. Try to catch them, but I don't see any cats around. For yesterday morning or today, or at all yesterday. So I don't, maybe they know the weather. That's what I'm thinking. Anyway, take care, everybody. Today's going to be about birds. And how nature knows to take care of itself in weather like this. So look at the bird. That's what it's about right now.